Time is life. We think much more about use of money, which is renewable. पैसा खो जाए तो पैसा मिल सकता है और there is a way. Than we do about the use of our time, which is irreplaceable. अभी मैं during lunch time I was talking to a friend of mine. I was telling जो लम्हा गुजर गया वो वापस नहीं आता. जो लम्हे एक बार गुजर जाते हैं वो वापस नहीं आते. कुछ लम्हे हैं सिर्फ हमारे को एक पश्चाताप. We can only repent. We can only repent. मैं उस समय ये कर लिया होता, उस समय ये कर लिया होता. But you don't come back. It doesn't come back to you, my dear friends. Money can be earned, money can be replaceable, but we are more careful about my money. हमारी जेब में से 10 पैसे गिर जाएं तो हम पूरा घर छान मारते हैं. And how we while away our time, we know it better than anybody else. Live in the now. This is one of my most favorite book, The Power of Now. Now means this very moment. Now means in this very moment is the only moment available to you. Yesterday is metaphorically used. Yesterday means जो time निकल गया. Yesterday is a cancelled check. Tomorrow is a promissory note. Today is ready cash. Use it now. This is the only moment which is available to you to use it. And Tule, I have read all of his books, The Power of Now, The Practice of Now, and he has written wonderful book. If you want to read his books, they're just wonderful books. Somebody was talking to me about notes, about the time management, about the timing and all. You will understand this from this book. He said that yesterday is a cancelled check, tomorrow is a promissory. क्या होगा एक promise ही है आपके पास. And today is the ready cash. Make use of this very moment, this very time available to you. Whatever you want to do, do it now. This is going to be past. This was your future. Treasure every moment that you have, my dear friends. Treasure. उसको संभालो. Waste मत होने दो. गिर मत जाने दो उसको. Don't let it be lost. Yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. पता नहीं क्या होगा कल. Today is a gift. That is why it is called present. When we give present to somebody, we say हमने इसको gift दिया ना. So today is a gift. That is why it is called present. Yesterday is a history. Tomorrow is a mystery. There is a Chinese proverb, my dear friend, which says, "An inch of gold cannot buy time." Once you missed a train, you miss certain things in the life. Can you buy inch of load? गोल्ड तो छोड़ दीजिए, आप कितना मर्जी गोल्ड ले लीजिए, पूरे वर्ल्ड का गोल्ड लेके भी आप जो अभी लम्हा निकल गया उसको आप नहीं ले सकते वापस. You cannot buy that back. Live in this very moment. Time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control over the amount of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase productivity. Productivity here doesn't mean only in the industry. Productivity means usefulness of the time which you are spending at any given time. May it be even entertainment, may it be anything. Yes, it can be anything. That productivity means usefully disposing of the time available to you is your productivity. In the industry, you are not supposed to do certain things. I will talk to you about those things also. We'll be talking about ineffective time management also in this session. So first of all, let us go to the rudiments. What is time? I always go to the rudiments in my sessions. Even in my class in civil engineering, I always talk about the basics. We must understand the basics. Time is an abstract concept. Time is as mysterious as space. Now, abstract means you cannot smell the time. You cannot touch the time. You cannot eat the time. उसका कोई कलर नहीं है, कोई आकार नहीं है. It's the abstract thing. You learn about the timing much later in the life. If you ask a small child के आपका बर्थडे कब है, he will say कल है. उसको ये नहीं पता कल है या परसों है, कितने घंटे बाद है, कितने ईयर, कितने मंथ्स के बाद है, कितने डेज के. उसके लिए एवरीथिंग इज कल, बिकॉज इट इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट concept for him. Slowly and slowly you understand the concrete concept of the timings. Like space also. आप उस छोटे बच्चे से पूछो कि आपका स्कूल कितनी दूर है, बहुत दूर है. दिल्ली कितनी दूर है, वो भी बहुत दूर है. फॉर हिम एवरीथिंग इज बहुत दूर. फॉर एवरीथिंग टाइम इज बहुत दूर, बड़ी देर बाद है, बहुत देर, बड़ी देर होगी. उसके लिए वो कंक्रीट नहीं है, कितने मिनट्स, कितने सेकंड्स, कितने आवर्स, कितने डेज, कितने मंथ्स, कितने ईयर्स. So that's what time is about. Time is as mysterious as space. Time is unique. It is available equally to all without having any discrimination for rich and poor. The same time. उसके लिए कोई discrimination नहीं है. Yes. Time is valuable, scarce, and irreplaceable. We have talked about it. Time is value. Time is one of the biggest resource when you do the resource planning in any industry. Your shipment must reach the ship at so and so time, your consignment. I have seen companies going in millions of losses because your consignment has not reached the shipyard in time. So the ship has left. Ship is not waiting for your only आपके कार्टन की वेट नहीं कर रहा वो. And since it is delayed, so your client can reject, and they do reject. At the international level, it is so very valuable, my dear friends. Once it is passed, it cannot be reclaimed. Time is more valuable than money. We have talked about it. There will be certain repetitions in my session, so I will pass some of the slides little quickly, my dear friends. Webster Dictionary defines time as a period during which action or process continues. Just read it and understand. It is a period from this moment to this moment. Between these two moment is the time elapsed, and during that moment you have to take the actions. Since it is the abstract thing, so the different dictionaries have given a different definitions. Try to understand and try to refer to some of the dictionaries. It cannot be switched on and off. It just passes. आप समय को रोक नहीं सकते कि जैसे हमने इसको रोक लिया, उसको चलाने दिया, इसको कर लिया. No, you cannot stop it. It just passes. And between those passes, you have choices what to do and what not to do. One cannot buy more time or hoard the time. आप समय को बांध के नहीं रख सकते. You cannot have पैसे देके और टाइम ले लेते हैं, ये कर लेते हैं. You cannot buy time, my dear friends. It is not a commodity. It is not a physical entity. You cannot hoard it. मैं इकट्ठा करके रखता हूँ टाइम को अपने पास, फिर अपने हिसाब से उसको यूज करूंगा. No, it is passing. Just tick, tick, tick. It is just passing, my dear. Time cannot be controlled, but can be measured. It can be measured. Similarly, space is abstract, but it can be measured. इसकी length कितने feet, कितने inch, कितने miles, कितने kilo miles, कितने कैसे. It can be measured. ये हमने कर ली है बातें, इसके बारे में नहीं करेंगे. Its importance is real only after it waste. जब आपने टाइम को वेस्ट कर दिया एक बार, एग्जाम वाले दिन में आपको लग रहा है एट दैट टाइम मोमेंट कि मैंने उस समय मूवी ना देखी होती, उस समय मैंने ये बैठ के गपशप ना लगाई होती, समोसा ना खाया होता कैंटीन के बाद बैठ के, मैंने ये कर लिया होता, मैंने वो कर लिया. मैंने अब डॉक्टर ने मेरे को कहा कि आपके फिजिकल बॉडी में ये प्रॉब्लम आ गई बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट इन्वेस्टेड योर टाइम ऑन द फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, ऑन द प्राणायाम, ऑन द ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज, ऑन दिस. No, your time is gone. Now you have to be on the medicines. You have to suffer. आपकी लाइफ कैन बी डिफाइंड बाय टाइम कि यू हैव आपकी अवधि है आपके पास इतनी यू हैव ए ड्यूरेशन so your effectiveness in the life depend largely on how you manage the time properly and if you do not it increases the stress level can you imagine the stress on that umpire when he had to pack up just for being 6 seconds late and come back to India and wait for 3 years. Those 3 years were every single day was stress for him. He could have managed the breakfast. Value of time. I think most of you must have read this thing. For value, 1 year की कितनी value है? Ask a student who has failed in his final exam. Ask a student. एक साल की कितनी value है? एक month की कितनी value है? How much a month is valuable? Ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby. If she had more time, the baby would have been like this. She would have been like this. Ask a editor of a weekly जिसकी वीकली न्यूज़पेपर आना है उसके लिए वीक में उससे कितना कुछ करना होता है आई इज रियली सरप्राइज्ड ऑन द न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड द वीकली मैगजीन्स एंड जर्नल्स टाइमली उसको बाहर निकालना ही है उससे पूछिए उस वीक में कितनी उसके लिए एक वीक कितनी वैल्यू है वन डे आस्क डेली वेजर लेबरर हु हैज 4 kids टू फीड उसके पास एक दिन का समय ही है जब वो कमाएगा तो खाएगा वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम एन आवर एक घंटे की कितनी वैल्यू है आस्क के लवर हु आर वेटिंग टू मीट उसके लिए वो घंटा पास ही नहीं हो रहा एंड ए मिनट आस्क ए पर्सन हु हैज मिस्ड हिज ट्रेन और बस और ए प्लेन जस्ट फॉर ए मिनट अब मैं मेरे साथ एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि आई वाज टू कैच ए ट्रेन एंड आई वाज ऑन द ब्रिज एंड आई सॉ माई ट्रेन leaving the platform 1 minute and we while we so many minutes hours days months a second ask a person who has survived in an accident एक second लगता है accident होने में and एक second लगता है accident होने में ask a millisecond I was referring to this ask a person who has won a silver medal in Olympics मिली सेकेंड यदि वो ज्यादा फास्ट कर लेता कहीं पे उसके पास इतना टाइम था लेट अस से रेस इज ऑफ यूजुअली द रेस इन रोइंग इज something like 5 minutes to 6.5 minutes every movement every stroke every हर कदम आपका मैटर करता है and every fraction of second you lose silver medal you get a silver medal you would have been a gold medalist ask a person and how many milliseconds we waste every day without time management nothing is possible but with time management all things are possible all things are possible if you learn how to manage the time you can remain stress free I will pause for a moment here my dear friends and share with you one very important thing if you get up late by 5 minutes let us say आपको 6 बजे उठना है आप 6:05 पे उठे हैं your every activity will be a stressful activity believe me but if you just get up 5 minutes before you are targeting to start your day your every activity will be stress free I have tried it in my life I have tried it everywhere I am the first one to come in my office and I am stress less I am driving very safely I know I keep margins I have managed my time कितना time लगता है इतना time traffic को इतना time lighting को planning है simple mechanism that reminds me of a joke also there was an organization the CEO जैसे आपके यहाँ पे डायरेक्टर या प्रिंसिपल होते हैं CEO in a company he found that most of the people are late in the office he was very fed up he was trying to give them lectures do this and 9 o'clock time है यदि तो 9:15 9:20 तक लोग बड़े आराम से आ रहे हैं but he was very disturbed my dear and then he thought about it what should be done I have tried everything Then he thought, let me start my office at 9:20. 9 9 तक सब लोग आ जाते हैं. So let me start by my office at 9:20, and in the evening I will be finishing my office instead of 5 o'clock, 5:20, so that nobody is late, everybody is able to come. And when he used to ask people कि आप लेट क्यों हैं, वो कह रहा था कि मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम होगी, ये प्रॉब्लम होगी. But by 9:20 everybody was settled. So he thought, let me start my office at 9:20. He made an announcement and put a circular in the organization that from tomorrow the office will work at 9:20, be in time. So people started coming after 9:20. 9:40 तक लोग आ रहे हैं. It is a state of mind, your attitude, your planning. Nothing is possible, my dear friends, if you have this attitude in the life. Abraham Lincoln said, if I were given 9 hours to cut a tree, I will sharpen the saw for 6 hours. So, what does it mean? If you know that I have 9 hours, out of that 6 hours, to cut a tree, you like to sharpen so that you have more number of trees. Time, work, studies. We'll be referring to this slide somewhere towards the end of my session. How you train yourself, how do you educate yourself so that you can work more efficiently within the time frame. And this is exactly what we need to do, my dear friends. Depending on the time, the required skills within you and your team members. Time and tide wait for none. I am just making certain slides go because we have covered those things. If any employee or the manager, anybody kills the time, kills his and his company's progress. वो आपके लिए, अपने लिए तो है ही है वो, और अपनी अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए भी, घर के लिए भी. घर, home is also. This is a very important point here. In time management, it must be seen that the main thing is to be kept as main thing. जो आपका लक्ष्य है, जो आपका गोल है, that is a main thing, and that has to be kept as main thing. Many times when we do the time management, we get into the trivials. Trivial means छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए हम ज्यादा टाइम लगा लेते हैं. We forget about, we lose sight of the main thing, and when the main thing is not happening, you are under stress. Yes. Time is the passport to achievement. You require passport to go to America. You require passport to go to Canada, Germany, or any other country. Without passport, you cannot enter that country. Similarly, for achieving anything in the life, time is the passport. And it does not depend on others. It depends on you and you alone, how you plan the things. The golden rule, my dear friends. Do things before they become important. Do things. अभी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया कि मैं ऐसा कर लूँ, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया, बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया. नो, you're piling up, and that piling up is causing the stress in your minds. And you, besides the losing that task, those activities, do important things before they become urgent. Do urgent things before they become emergency. A stage come when this is now emergency. We cannot now further postpone it. There is a one principle in the life. A wise person will replace the tires of a car before he wastes the time in replacing or when the tires start getting flat on the roads. इमरजेंसी हो जाती है फिर वहां पर तो, एंड यू वेस्ट सो मच ऑफ मनी एंड टाइम व्हेन यू आर ऑन द योर फैमिली इज ऑन द रोड साइड एंड यू शुड हैव रिप्लेस द टायर्स मच बिफोर, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. There is a schedules, maintenance schedules, repair schedules. These schedules, those schedules are strictly followed in many organizations, and those organizations they rise even in the families. Urgency addiction. There are some people who are habitual of working only under urgency. It is a self-destructive behavior, my dear friends. Many people get addiction. मैं तो लास्ट मोमेंट पे ही पहुंचता हूँ ट्रेन के स्टेशन के ऊपर, मैं तो लास्ट मोमेंट पे ऊपर ही ऑफिस में चेक इन करूंगा, मैं तो लास्ट मोमेंट पे. देयर इज a phrase which we use in our friends circle that usually the train will be late, but the day you are late, train will be in time. So do not assume so many. Assumptions and presumptions many times create a lot of stresses, not only to time, but otherwise. Ma'am was talking about anger management. We get angry because we assume so many things. We presume so many things. May not be facts, may not be true. The essence of time management is doing first thing first, prioritizing. How you prioritize your time, doing first thing first, second thing this, third thing this, fourth thing. This is there's nothing, there's no rocket science in this. इसमें कोई बहुत बढ़िया equations नहीं है involved. Simple things are there. Right? Simple solutions for big problems. Urgent, not urgent. Important, not important. The first quadrant is urgent and important. Things which are urgent and important, do them. Second is not very urgent but important. Do those things. Third quadrant is urgent but not important. Fourth quadrant is neither urgent not nor important. Simple, trivial, some phone calls, some excessive TV. So you all everything is urgent, everything is not urgent, everything is not important. So you have to understand the difference between urgent, important, and divide your time based on this. टाइम मैनेजमेंट की बात करते हैं अभी हम लोग. If you desire real achievement, you have to pay the price in giving up things which use time with no progress towards achieving your defined goals, definite goals. My dear friends, many times we keep on postponing, as I mentioned, a few minutes back. We keep on postponing. We are getting addicted to doing the things at the last moment. एंड वी हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस सर्टन थिंग. मेरे को आज यदि सुबह अच्छी हेल्थ के लिए प्राणायाम करना है तो आई हैव टू सेक्रीफाइस रजाई. नाउ विंटर्स आर कमिंग, और मेरे को मे बी आई हैव टू मेक सर्टन एफर्ट्स फॉर अचीविंग द गुड हेल्थ, and that is going to pay dividends. I will be able to sleep much better if I have a good health than having a bad health. Anyway, you are not losing anything. And my dear friends, here, if the life quality pays not the quantity, in life quality pays not the quantity, so do not overstuff your life. We have tendency to overstuff ourselves. We like to complicate. The life is very simple. We insist upon complicating it. And with simple time management principles, you can avoid those complications. And as I was mentioning the other day, the simplification is simplicity is the ultimate of sophistication. Now, ineffective time management की बात करें, this is activity time, my dear friends. We have been talking. Activity is, there are so many things in the life, every day, every moment, which waste your time. We call them time wasting culprits. An average employee is productive only for 4 to 5 hours in 8 hours of work day, which is an international standard. By the, it was a treaty in the on the Labor Day. First May को हम decide करते हैं. Some of the things are there. I don't want to go into those details, but normally in all over the world there is an 8 hour shift. Personal and irrelevant phone calls at the office. And irrelevant means sometimes a friend will call, वो 15 मिनट अपना नाम ही नहीं बताता, बट तू सिर्फ किस पर्पज के लिए उसने फोन करा, गैस कर यार, तू भूल गया सानू यार, तू ऐ हो गया यार, irrelevant. I tell him, come to the point, brother. I will talk to you in the evening otherwise. Unscheduled appointments and drop-ins. Especially in India, it happens very often in many offices. Unscheduled appointments. We have no idea about the appointments. It is a good idea to take an appointment from a person before you give him a phone call or you drop in his office or at his home. You know the solution simultaneously. Late and lengthy appointments. एक अपॉइंटमेंट डिले होगी, जो उसकी क्यू में आगे लगे हैं सब डिले हो रही हैं, एंड देन यू आर स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम. You must know how to fix a agenda, maybe mental, maybe in the paper, and how you proceed about. And then sometime you say, okay, we're done. We'll talk about it later. Something has to be done during that time, and you feel that now agenda is over. Having to explain things again and again to superiors is also a time waster. Oh, मैं तो भूल गया था, I didn't register. So when you talk to somebody, gain his ears or her ears and explain, articulate the message very well, so that you are not don't have to repeat it. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस में तो वैसे ही कहते हैं हम लोग के 4 महीने के बाद ही हम कोई एक्शन लेंगे. This is the general attitude again. Time wasted in union grievances, collective bargaining and negotiations. Believe me, I am holding a position of faculty in charge administration, which is equivalent to registrar's post in any university. Lot of time in my office goes in grievances, but I have tried to develop the mechanisms by which I am not spending time on grievances. If you are able to identify those things, there are ways how you can avoid those, and you can manage those very well. Too many levels of reviewing the decisions. This is exactly what the bureaucracy does. I am sorry, but it is like this. There is the bureaucrats in any system. Within the private companies, there are so many managers. उनका अपना प्रोडक्शन में कोई रोल नहीं होता, but they want to have red tapes. Red tapeism जिसको हम कहते हैं. They will have so many. इसको रिव्यू कराओ, उसको दिखाओ. Channel will keep on increasing the channels. Too many people in small area. If the area is very congested, your efficiency decreases. Again, a lot of time is wasted. Casual conversations, gossip and grapevine. हम लोगों ने नोटिस लगाया कि ऑफिस टाइम में कोई कैंटीन में नहीं जाएगा. We will serve the tea on your phone call, hot tea on your table. Defective filing system. एक पेपर ढूंढना होता है तो we go in the record room, फिर शाम तक वापस आता है, फिर वो कहता है नहीं मिला, अगले दिन फिर जाता है वहां पर. And similarly, even in the computer, if you do not know how to save your files and folders, saving and retrieval of information can kill a lot of time. Put everything at its place, and there should be place for everything. This simple principle can save a lot of time for you. घर में चाबियां रख के भूल गए, पैसे रख के भूल गए, ऑफिस आने का टाइम हो गया, कोई पेन नहीं मिल रहा, आपके शूज नहीं मिल रहे, आपके there has to be a simple principle. Keep everything at its place, and there should be a place for everything, including the filing in the papers. Decision to be taken by big committees. Na no man tel hoga, na nada. If you want in the government offices not to do your work, you constitute a committee, and committee will never meet. Or the committee will meet and have samosa and tea and say we will decide about it in the next meeting. I mean, meetings and phone calls and other things, big time wasters. That time could have gone in preparing the lecture very well. Doing something else job, someone else job. This reminds me of a very interesting thing, my dear friends. We are sometimes उसका काम कर देते हैं, उसका काम कर देते हैं, उसको काम नहीं आता तो उसकी हेल्प करा देते हैं. You lose, जैसे वो मैडम भी कह रहे थे ना फर्स्ट डे, कि एरोप्लेन में भी कहते हैं कि पहले अपना मास्क लगाओ, फिर अपने साथ वाले पैसेंजर का मास्क के लिए हेल्प कराओ. But then we many times out of courtesy, out of whatever reasons maybe, we are too busy. Interesting thing is, when I was playing volleyball, I was a volleyball. I'm today also I'm playing volleyball. I was a volleyball player, and I was playing in the center. Center means there are three players in the first row, three players in the second row. The second row में जो middle वाला बंदा है, he's the center. He controls the whole game. He basically manages the whole show. I found that in my team there are two players who are not working very well, who are not उनसे point lose हो रहे हैं. So what I started doing in that match, I used to run when the ball was coming to their point and taking the ball. दूसरी टीम वाले कौन सा बेवकूफ थे, उनको पता लग गया कि प्रमोद उधर जाके अभी बॉल उठाएगा, वो मेरे वाली जगह पे फिर ड्रॉप मारते थे. That taught me a lesson. You can train, you can retrain, you can delegate, but if you will start doing someone else's job every day in and day out, this is a basically time wastage and the job will not be finished. You will lose the match. 70 to 80% of time in our institute, for example, goes in providing information to ministry. ये दो, ये facts figure दो, ये facts figure दो. Every single day we are too busy in collecting the data. पता नहीं क्या होना है उस data का. Too too much of data. कितने आपके पास SC हैं, ST हैं, कितने आपके पास फौजी हैं, कितने आपके पास क्या क्या. I do not know what they want, for what they are trying to do all that. Indecision, not arriving on any decision. Indecision can also be a time waster. You are not able to decide. So your efficiency in taking decisions can save a lot of time. And there should be margin and flexibility to modify your decisions if you feel that I am taking this decision too quickly. But if you keep on delaying the decision, it is basically again creating a stress and wasting the time. Snap decision, take ad hoc decisions. This is, indecisive होना भी गलत है, without rational decision लेना भी गलत है. You are all the time, especially in India, we say Indian management system में हम लोग तब कुआं खोते हैं जब फायर लग चुकी होती. We dig the well when there is already the house is already on the fire. We keep on taking, we are too busy into taking ad hoc decisions. So snap decisions is also time wasting. Socializing with uninvited people, we have known that under over and unclear communication. Under communication, you have to repeat. Over communication, again you have to repeat because other person is not stopped listening to you. And unclear, ambiguous, not articulated properly your message can create a lot of waste. फिर आपको दोबारा से रिपीट करना पड़ेगा, तीसरी बार रिपीट करना पड़ेगा. Inability to say no. This is very common, and I am myself a sufferer from this. So I am trying to take help from Dr. Shilpa, Dr. Kanksha, people like her, people like them, how to say no. We will talk about it also. Ineffective performance or repetition of mistakes. Ineffective performance. If you make a mistake, it's okay. But if you keep on repeating the mistake, a lot of time wastage in that. You have already wasted time, but if you are repeating it often, again and again, you are wasting the time. And see how much time you have wasted. Over control or under control, both are time wasters. Over control करना भी time waste हो सकता है. If you are not controlling, that can also be time waste. Lack of predefined standards, policies, rules, and regulations. अब क्या करें? This situation has come. अब क्या करें? There is no standard, there is no policy, there is no rules, there are no regulations. Yes, we talk about codes, we talk about rules and regulations. How meticulously you plan those rules, formulate those rules, will allow you to run the race smoothly. Ask me as an umpire, there are so many rules which were not existing. I gave it to FISA. I was at one time holding the chair of FISA umpiring. international visa umpiring. And then I said, okay, in these situations, our umpires are not able to take decisions. So you create those things, take the so that you don't waste time on those things. It is a rule that we will do like this, we will do like this, so that we are not left to confusions. And there's no stresses on the people also. Not coping with change and facing resistance to change. कोई भी change है, there is a resistance. We had a whole 5-day STC on embracing the change. If you are not able to cope up with the change, if I am not able to switch over from contact mode to online mode of teaching, you can imagine how much time I am wasting of my institute. मैं कह दूं ना, we had a steno in our institute, for example, Mr. Shadiram. Now he's retired, I think more than 15 years back. I was very young when I joined this institute, and Shadiram का नाम था. He was the most efficient steno. जब computers आए, 85 की बात है, 80 से 90s, 85 90s में कंप्यूटर आए हमारे ऑफिस में. The things were transferring from manual typewriters to the computer typewriters. And Shadiram said, I am the first class first in the manual typewriter. I will not switch over to the computer because I will become the last one because the younger ones were doing better there. What happened? Within 2 years, he was useless. How much time the people had to waste on him for getting the job done. But उन्होंने कहा मेरे को आप पीएन की नौकरी करवा दो, मैं कंप्यूटर के सामने नहीं बैठूंगा. So but then how much time you waste. And today you realize कि smartphone जिसको हम कह रहे हैं कि this is a wastage of time, the smartphone can do wonders, and it does wonders if you know how to use the technology. Inefficient system of management of conflicts. We get too busy into conflict management. If you know the art of conflict management, you can save a lot of time in that. ये तो लड़ाई चलती रहती है. मैं आके कई बार कहता हूँ कि यार तो उससे सोना मार दे मुंह पे, गल खत्म होती है. Okay. Lack of coordination and team spirits. If there is no coordination among the team members, this also wastes a lot of time. So just to let you know that just before the start of this program, we formulated a group of 4 or 5 experts who are delivering lectures in various sessions. So instead of sending message to each individual, I found कि ये 5 लोग हैं, हम लोग सभी को इकट्ठा मैसेज जाना है, and everyone is responding and doing the things in a team spirit. But imagine somebody may feel कि मेरा नाम ऊपर नहीं आया, मेरा नाम नीचे आया, मेरा नाम मेरे को ऐसे भेजो, मेरे को वैसे करो, वैसे करो. If there is no proper coordination in them, how much time is wasted in that? One go में जो काम हो सकता था वो 100 goes में हो रहा है. Lack of motivation and involvement. If you are not involving each member of the team, they are not motivated. Involvement means assign responsibility and trust them. You will not involve them if you do not trust them. And if you do not trust them, they are not motivated. So this is again a very big one. They वो ना नहीं करेंगे लेकिन काम भी नहीं करेंगे. This wastes a lot of your time. Everywhere. Doing it myself, most of it, we have covered that. And understaffing can waste the time. Overstaffing can also waste the time. There is an optimal level of staff which is required to do a job. यदि ज्यादा हो जाए स्टाफ तब भी एफिशिएंसी कम हो जाती है, यदि कम है तो एफिशिएंसी कम हो ही रही है. कंफ्यूज्ड, डिवाइडेड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अथॉरिटी. मैं अपने एचओडी को बताऊं कि अपने प्रिंसिपल को बताऊं या डायरेक्टर को बताऊं या एमएचआरडी को बताऊं या बोर्ड ऑफ गवर्नर्स को बताऊं. एंड confused, people are confused कि मेरे को hierarchy, the system, the flow chart, the way the things have to move about. इस काम के लिए किसको बोलना पड़ेगा, इस काम के लिए किसको बोलना पड़ेगा, दादाजी को या पापा को या ब्रदर को या सिस्टर को या किसको, आंटी को, किसके लिए. Divided responsibility, my dear friends. If you are able to do that, you will save a lot of time. I am telling you this today. Untrained, undertrained staff. We have covered partially this. untrained or undertrained. If your staff is not trained, again, or they are undertrained, multiple of bosses, so many bosses. I have a full-fledged, a very interesting slideshow. If time will permit, in some other session, I will try to steal away some time. Maybe tomorrow lunchtime, pay at 1 o'clock. The session finishes in time. I will show you the video. I made a video why Indian teams are not able to get the gold medal because so many bosses are there. That that red tapeism and bureaucracy. Duplication of effort. आप भी वो काम कर रहे हैं, reinventing the wheel over and over again. I mean, duplication of efforts. You reach nowhere. This also wastes the time. Many managers do this. इसको भी काम दे दो, उसको भी काम दे दो, कोई तो करेगा, कोई भी नहीं करता. Remember, if you are not able to clearly define the job and who is responsible for this job, again, there can be duplication, there can be no work at all. Personal disorganization और stacked desk. कई लोगों को बड़ा शौक होता है कि मेरे डेस्क के ऊपर फाइलें लगे, लोगों doing nothing look busy. I mean, you have to learn how to declutter, how to organize yourself. जो आपके सामने पेपर है वो वही होना चाहिए जिसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. आसपास की चीजें आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती हैं, आपके माइंड को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करती हैं. स्टैक डेस्क, दे वेस्ट लॉट ऑफ योर टाइम. उसमें से फिर एक फाइल निकालनी होती है आपको. नो डेडलाइंस लीडिंग टू डे ड्रीमिंग. यदि आपके डेडलाइंस नहीं डिफाइंड तो फिर आप सोचते रहते हैं. यू कीप ऑन डे ड्रीमिंग. फ्रीक्वेंट लिविंग टास्क अनफिनिश्ड. अभी ये काम कर रहे हैं, इसको छोड़ दो. ये काम पकड़ लिया, फिर उसको कर रहे हैं, उसको छोड़ दो, वो काम कर रहे हैं. फ्रीक्वेंटली लिविंग टास्क अनफिनिश्ड. And then you say, by evening, I will finish this, I will finish this. By evening, you are so frustrated, you are so stressed, you are not able to accomplish a single task. This also wastes your time. And even the students also do like this. ये चैप्टर बड़ा मुश्किल है, इसको बाद में करेंगे, इसको पहले आधा कर लिया, फिर इसको बाद में करेंगे, इसको आधा करेंगे. No, my difference. Little management on this. Lack of delegation. Yes, we have covered that. Learn how to trust, train and trust your staff, and then delegate the responsibility to them. Keep on shifting priorities. अभी मैंने उसके बारे में बात करी. If you keep on shifting the priorities, you never arrive anywhere. I have beautiful video for this, but I will not be able to show you right now. Excessive demand on time coming from boss or subordinates. ये also, ये priority पे ऊपर है. हमारे को in this institute, if we get a letter from parliament or MHRD, now we call it MOE, Ministry of Education, that is the first priority. चाहे सारे काम छोड़ दो. मेरा भी फोन आ रहा था MHRD से, I had, मैंने भी हैंग कर दिया फोन अपने. जो मैं लेक्चर दे रहा हूँ वो इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. At this time, this is the most important. Let the everything. If there is the excessive interference from the bosses or from the subordinates, that also kills the time. Habit of procrastination. I think ma'am has covered, she's going to deliver lecture. Dr. Shilpa Suri is going to cover a session on procrastination. You can register for that. You can go on her Facebook or talk to her. You can register full session on procrastination. We keep on postponing. Excessive visitors, newspaper and TV, when you cannot afford to have that. Excessive travel. These are all. Excessive paperwork. सब कुछ writing में चाहिए. Believe me, 90% of my work I try to do on intercom. My ऑफिस स्टाफ जैसे सर इसके ऊपर पेपर के ऊपर वो ले लें, कल को वो ये बोलेगा, मैं कहा जब बोलेगा तो हम सुनेंगे. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. सो यू शुड बी एबल टू टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. वी शर्ट फ्रॉम द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. हमने कह दिया, दिस इज, जब मैं लिख दिया या कह दिया में कोई अंतर नहीं है. ऑन सर्टेन थिंग्स यस, बट नॉट एवरीथिंग पेपर वर्क. Now, here are the tips to eliminate time wasters. Very, very simple things. Learn to say no. Organize your workspace. Keep a log. Try to write it down or think for 5 minutes how I spent my day, how I spent my time up to now. Lunch time में आपका खाना हो जाता है 10 मिनट में. You have half an hour break. So नेक्स्ट 5 मिनट्स लंच के बाद थिंक अप टू नाउ मैंने क्या कुछ कर दिया, क्या कुछ प्रायोरिटीज में डू आई नीड टू चेंज माई प्रायोरिटीज. कीप ए लॉग ऑफ द टाइम. वी हैव ए लॉग बुक फॉर द कार. कार कहाँ कहाँ गई, कहाँ कहाँ नहीं गई. आई एम ए व्हीकल इन चार्ज इन माई इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल्सो बीइंग द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. एंड आई ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कि यार ये काम इकट्ठे हो सकते थे, ये काम नहीं जाने की जरूरत नहीं थी वहां पे, ये काम ऐसे ही भी हो सकता था. सो आई ट्राई टू डिक्रीज द कंजम्पशन ऑफ फ्यूल. If you log the time spent on different activities and analyze them, you will realize them. Uh, हमें जी बाद में करते हैं. You will realize that you will find so much of time available where it was being wasted. Manage distractions. When you are focusing on your work, जो भी चीजें आपको distract कर रही हैं, if you keep attending to those distractions, again, you will be wasting a lot of your time. Neither you will be able to attend to that, nor you will be able to focus on what you were doing earlier. Stop procrastination. Learn to say no. It is okay to say no to request, to decline additional responsibility, to ask for additional resources or time. Either you can say, okay, sir, enough. Or you can say, I can, but I require so much of manpower, so much of machinery, so much of this thing, so much of this thing. I can be more productive if you are having the sources or you buy the time for those things. We have covered some of these things, so I am not going in the details. Just you can have a glance on this because we have covered this. Spend at least 6 to 7 minutes every day in decluttering your office, your home. Elmira में अपनी. मैं कहता हूं कि उसका उसका लिटमस टेस्ट क्या है कि व्हेन द पावर गोज ऑफ, यदि ये शाम का समय है, रात का समय है, इफ द पावर गोज ऑफ, you should be able to find things in your Elmira. Start with your purse, especially the ladies' purse, so that you when you are in the market, you should know मेरे पर्स में कहाँ पे क्या चीज पड़ी. And that has to be transformed to Elmiras, to the filings, to the other things. I should be able to find my shoes when there is no light in the room. Simple tests. Keep a log. I told you about it. Commit to deadlines and deliverable. जो चीजें आपको डिलीवर करनी है, आगे पहुंचानी है, बिकॉज देर इज अ लाइन, देर इज ऑलवेज अ लाइन. वी वर्क इन दैट लाइन. मेरे ऊपर भी है, नीचे भी है. इफ आई एम डिलेइंग, माई होल लाइन इज being delayed. यदि सुबह एक क्लर्क पीजीआई में, विच इज ए बिगेस्ट हॉस्पिटल इन चंडीगढ़, पीजीआई में एक रिसीट वाला जो सुबह सुबह मॉर्निंग में रजिस्टर करता है पेशेंट को, वो 15 मिनट लेट होता है, इमेजिन करिए हाउ व्हाट कैन बी द इम्प्लीकेशंस. द डॉक्टर्स आर वेटिंग, द पेशेंट्स आर वेटिंग, एंड एवरीथिंग इज पाइलिंग अप एंड देयर इज अ स्ट्रेस. किसी को बहुत ज्यादा डिस्ट्रेस है ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. Things can go very wrong, my dear friends. Try to build capabilities. Try to invest on building up the capabilities of your staff, your children, your students. One of the things which I like to share here with is that in IITs, I have seen in NITs, most of the responsibility is given to the students. They are made capable of handling everything. When I say everything, means everything, right from admission to convocation. स्टूडेंट्स आर एट द फोरफ्रंट. चाहे वो प्लेसमेंट हो रही है, कोई फंक्शन हो रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है इंस्टीट्यूट में, कोई एक्टिविटी भी हो रही है, स्टूडेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व. दे आर मेड कैपेबल ऑफ मैनेजिंग. They are trained for that by their seniors, by their teachers. That there are faculty members who are at the back and call, but then they will not go in the nitty gritties. Everyone has certain qualities, certain competencies, certain capacities. The best executive is one who has sense enough to pick good men to do what he wants done, and self restraint enough to keep from meddling with them while they do it. यदि आपके घर में एक मेड आती है ना, उसके आप आसपास मंडराते रहते हो, you will you make sure that she will not do work efficiently. यदि आप कोई काम कर रहे हैं and I keep on meddling with you very often, meddling is not a very good idea. You can train him, you can train her, and allow them to do the work and assign the work which he or she is capable of doing. If she or he is not capable, train. But my dear friends, restrain you have a tendency, आपके अंदर टेंडेंसी है अपने बच्चे को टोकते रहे, पंजाबी में कहते हैं हम लोग टोकना. You keep on you know stay focused. I told you the formula for must. Stop procrastination. I will not go in the details, but these are the reasons. बहुत मुश्किल काम है, vague है. We have tendency to postpone it instead of analyzing how to do it. Unpleasant काम है. We have tendency to postpone that work. These are the steps which can help you. Just go through it. You will understand them very well. Obey the 15 minutes rule. प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन को सेव करने के लिए आई फाइंड दिस रूल टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 15 मिनट लगाइए उसको प्लान करने के लिए, उसके ऊपर एनालाइज करने के लिए, एंड देन इट विल सेव योर आवर्स एंड आवर्स टुगेदर. एंड इफ यू हैव बीन एबल टू डू ए वर्क इन टाइम, गिव योर सेल्फ ए रिवॉर्ड. अपने आप को थपथपाइए, थोड़ा सा कॉफी पी लीजिए, चॉकलेट ले लीजिए. आई विल टेक ए चॉकलेट आफ्टर आई फिनिश दिस. This helps you in avoiding the procrastination. This is very important, my dear friends. Use your waiting time. In many situations, we have to wait. I am waiting for the file to come on my seat. It may take 15 minutes. I have estimate of that. We call it fractional time. आपके पास पूरा टाइम नहीं मिल रहा किसी एक्टिविटी के लिए, but you are getting some time which you are wasting in waiting for something to happen. If you are able to make use of that fractional time, you will be able to save a lot of time. So many activities can be done during that waiting time, during that fractional time. मेरे को इस काम के लिए 2 घंटे चाहिए, 2 घंटे एट ए स्ट्रेच नहीं मिल रहे, but I know that I can do this work between the waitings, between the fractional time. My dear friends, certain things I would like to recapitulate here. Just read them. Work smarter than harder. I say hard work is very important, but working smarter. Now you recall that quotation. If you are having 9 hours, 6 hours to be spent on sharpening the tool, work smarter than harder. You will cut maybe more number of trees in that hours. But if your tools are sharp, I'm just recapitulating many things here. Whenever you are in stress, Dr. Ritinder Kohli also mentioned talk to a friend, a wise friend. Otherwise, he is going to increase your stress. Certain activities you need not perform. Certain activities somebody else will do. Certain activities can be postponed. But decide what has to be done. Think on that. Do that analysis. We have covered that. I'm just recapitulating now. Ability of thought process. This is called maturing. Many times when we are young, we are not able to take decisions, we are not able to think. But with maturity, we called he's a seasoned player because there is a stability in his performance, consistency. This slide you can focus for 1 minute and read it. 5 practices for effective executive. Though some of those things are covered already, but I find that in one of the readings when I was preparing for this session, that the best of the best executives, they follow these 5 practices to use their time effectively. They are result oriented than work oriented. लोगों को busy करो, काम कुछ हो ना हो. No, result oriented. In my team, I tell the people that I want the work on my table. आप घर जाओ, सो, खाना खाओ, जो मर्जी करो. First things first. We will skip these slides because by and large, now these are the details how you can measure that work time studies कैसे कर सकते हैं and how you can plan. These slides were made for keeping a lot of things into mind, but then time will not permit me now to go in the details. Personal improvement plan, acceptance, evaluation, resources, and discipline. 4 things only. Accept that the problem exists. I need to improve my times. Evaluate where my time is going. Insight on what exactly is robbing my time. Resources, useful theory, process, tools, tips to manage the time, which we have covered. Then discipline, diligently follow that. Diligently follow that, whatever has been covered. This is a process of time management, setting goals, planning and prioritizing, developing a time policy, awareness about usage of time, identifying and eliminating the time waste. If you are able to follow these 5 steps, you are done with it. I am keeping the slide on so that you can note it down or you can take a picture of this. Compass, not campus, compass, not clock. And the last word is reaffirm what you want to have in your life: happiness, joy, wealth, confidence, peace. And I am responsible for my own happiness, joy, wealth, confidence, and my own peace. Thank you, my dear friend.